Hey, can I show you something that I'm growing that's kind of exotic? Now, let me start off by saying, of course, this is very ambitious. A gardening buddy of mine approached me with a proposition. He says, hey, I know you don't need any new plants right now, but I got a 2-for-1 deal on something I know you're going to want to try to grow. And that's when he shows me this, a passion flower. See, passion flower or passion fruit is a vining fruit plant that is native to South America. It produces a super sweet fruit that's fantastic in smoothies. And being that it's from hot, humid South America, I was kind of skeptical on whether or not I can get it to grow here in Dallas, Texas. But there are cold hardy varieties that actually can deal with Dallas winters. But the challenge is, I don't know what variety this is I'm growing. If a local supplier has these plants in droves and he's growing them perfectly fine in my area, then mine should be just fine. See, passion fruit requires at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight, not to mention a slightly acidic, well-draining soil. Plus, the vines get up to 20 feet, so they need room to grow. So my ambitions as a gardener is to plant passion fruit down by my creek bed. See, the soil consistency down by the creek is a nice sandy loam, plus it gets ample sunlight down here. So with the humid conditions, I think that the passion fruit will do well here. I'm going a little ambitious with this one. But what do you think? Did I bite off more than I can chew? So stay tuned to see if my passion fruit survives or thrives.